Okay, so I don't want to use the word genius, but okay, I'll just do it. I'll just use the word genius because, so here's the trough, here to here. Here's the foam that actually becomes a void where the water will sit and then flow over one edge, flow over the other edge. So this gets just melted away once the concrete is done. You can see what we did is I just jammed a 1 1/4 inch piece of pipe into this thing and then secured it inside. This will still be concrete down here. There's concrete in here, and there's concrete in here. So all of this will become solid with the bottom of the concrete being right here like this. This will be buried in the concrete. So essentially, but what you don't want to do is leave these wood pieces behind. How do you support this thing but not leave anything behind? Here's how you do it. So what I've done, you can see there's fishing line holding this right here. And you can see I tied an air knot. Surgeons hate air knots, but this time I had to do one. So you tie an air knot right there and right there. And then this may fall over because it's kind of a mock-up, but essentially what you do is you take it, concrete gets poured. This will be surrounded with foam right here. Concrete gets poured here, here, and all the way down there. When we're a little bit set up with concrete, you snip the fishing line right there, which allows basically the rod, and of course, that's the cool thing, is you see I drilled a hole in the rod and a hole in the rod. And these things simply, watch this, slide out, and then, oh yeah, watch this. The rod simply just, of course this is concrete now, this thing will stay right where it's supposed to be. The rod simply just slides right out. Okay, I'm gonna use the word genius one more time.